Ladies and gentlemen, so how can you solve this interesting trigonometric equation? So we have 2 sine 2x is equal to 2 tan x. Then you have to solve this in the interval of 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360. So how can we solve such equations? There we go. So we can solve such equations by doing this. Okay. So I will write this. We have 2 sine 2x is equal to 3 tan x. One thing I want you to understand, guys, is simple and straightforward. I want you to understand that I can't solve the way this one is. I need to replace it with a simple identity. So there is an identity that you need to know. We call it 2 sine x cos x is equal to sine 2x. So what I'll do is I'll replace this with this. So this is 2 open bracket where there's sine 2x. We'll replace it with 2 sine x cos x is equal to 3 tan x. There is no relationship between sine, cos and tan. Therefore I need to change also tan so that it should be in the same way with sine and cos. So tan x is equal to sine x divided by cos x. You understand? So 2 times 2 is 4. Sine x cos x is equal to 3. So this tan is sine x divided by cos x. You understand? The next thing that we are supposed to know is we can cross multiply. So if I put 1 here, I cross multiply, I'm going to have 4 sine x cos times cos, it will be cos x like this, then times 3 sine x. So I'll shift this to go to the left side. 4 sine x cos x squared minus 3 sine x is equal to 0. When I reach at this point, I can factor out the common thing, which is sine in that case. So I'm going to factor out sine x open brackets. So here if I factor out sine x, I'll have 4 cos squared x minus sine, here I will remain with just 3. So I'll have 3 is equal to 0. That would mean to say sine x, what is outside, is equal to 0, comma 4 cos squared x minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's now simplify this part. So we have 4 cos squared x is equal to, this is negative, it goes there, positive, divided by 4 divided by 4. So we have cos squared x is equal to 3 over 4. Now what happens? So what happens here is very simple and straightforward. I'll get the square root. If I get the square root this side and this side, this one is going to have plus or minus. So then we have got cos x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3 over 4. So in simple terms, I'll come this side, create space this side. What I have is now cos x being equal to plus or minus the root of 3 divided by the square root of 4 is 2. So I need to find this and also this sine x is equal to 0. Sine x is equal to 0. Now we can go ahead and find the answers. I'll start with sine x is equal to 0. Sine what angle gives us 0? So sine what angle gives us 0? If we go back to our I showed you how to do this. So these are the special angles. In case you don't know about this, the advice that I'm going to give you is check out the video. So these are just special angles. Sine what angle is 0? It's 0 degrees. So then this 0 degrees, it can be found where we are going to find this 0 degrees in the first quadrant. So it's going to be x is equal to 0 degrees. In the second quadrant is 180 minus the same thing, okay, which is going to be again 180 minus 0, 180. Then again in the fourth quadrant we are talking about where, so now sine, we are going to have this, and also 360. What I have done here is this: sine 0 is 0, sine 180 is 0, sine 360 is also 0. But how did I find this? Sine, when we're talking about sine in this line, it is 0, meaning that sine 180 is 0, sine 0 is 0. Then again the same line is C for 360 degrees. That's how I've managed to find that. Now I'm done for sine. Let's now go for cos. Now you can clearly see that for cos we have got both positive and negative, meaning that we are going to find sine what angle x is going to be equal to sine what angle is, or cos what angle is the root 3 over 2. If we go back to this, cos what angle is root 3 over 2 is 30. So that is 30 degrees. Okay, meaning that in the first quadrant here we have found 30 degrees. In the second quadrant, because this is plus or minus, so it has got both negative and the positive, meaning if it is plus or minus, you are going to find all the answers in 4 quadrant. Then in the next one you say, this is the second quadrant, you say 180 minus 30. Okay, so what is 180 minus 30? That is 150. So we have another 150. Then here you say 180 in the third quadrant is 180 plus 30. Okay, so it's 180 plus 30, that is 210. In the third quadrant is 360 minus 30, so which is 330. So meaning that x is equal to 30 degrees, comma 150 degrees, comma 210 degrees, comma 330 degrees. So the final answer, now you have to combine these. Therefore x, the x value is 0 degrees, comma 150 degrees, comma 180 degrees, comma then 210 degrees, comma 330 degrees, comma 360 degrees. So these are the x values for this question. So I hope you are enjoying this video, but I want to show you something. You can actually access full practice questions for all the courses: math, chemistry, physics, and biology. So we have a lot of practice questions. So if you just go on Google, search Transcended Institute, you'll be able to reach here. So now what happens here is if you want to learn mathematics, for example, the way you are watching this video, you are enjoying, and then you want to access more practice questions that can help you to understand more concept. So we have the full topic videos from set theory. We have got functions, exponential, binomial, trig, inequalities, partial fraction, as well as calculus. So we have even matrices, we have all of them. So what happens now is if you go on tutorial sheet here, okay, so on tutorial sheet there is a part which is saying throw sheet for 2025, but this throw sheet, when you click here, you'll be able to see them. Okay, there's throw sheet for set theory, throw sheet for functions. Now functions in general is big, so now we have solved practice questions for introduction to functions, which is just finding the domain and range, even and odd function, one-to-one function, composite function, and inverse function, including piecewise function. Okay, then you have also quadratic functions, which include the alpha and beta, like this one you are watching, the video you are watching right now. If you go on this one, you'll be able to see all the questions, different type of question that can help you to understand more. Okay, then we also have polynomials, so there are a lot, they keep on going. Binomial, what, we have a lot of them. Okay, so just register using this platform and you are going to enjoy our services. Okay, so this is what I wanted you to know, guys. So you can clearly see that even for these other courses, if you go on physics, it's the same thing. You'll be able to find the throw sheet. Okay, so everything is intact, it's there, you find. So just find time, register. There's a promotion which is ongoing. Use this opportunity to register with us. Okay, so let's continue.